At Gulf Coast Weather Solutions, we focus on delivering reliable weather forecasts. Our new app provides reliable weather updates and alerts no matter where you are. With real-time weather alerts and warnings, you can stay informed and prepared wherever you go. Download the Gulf Coast Weather Solutions app today on the App Store and Google Play and stay connected no matter where you are.
Good evening, Southeast Texas and Southwest Louisiana. I'm meteorologist Lucas Bostwick. We're taking a live look at conditions on radar, and we see that we have quite a few showers and thunderstorms that are ongoing over the past couple hours, and they just keep on going and keep on going. But what's happening is we've got this cold front right now pushing into the region, and that is leading to all these showers and storms that have developed over Southeast Texas and Southwest Louisiana. But what we expect to happen is that these showers and storms are going to die off as we lose that daytime instability. Now, right now at Port Acres, it's rained quite a bit of rain, over an inch of rain, almost an inch and a half, and it's 73 degrees, high wind of 21. So definitely getting some much needed rain today. Regional current temperature, sponsored by Modern Concrete Materials, shows that right now we're running at 78 in Beaumont, 83 though, a bit warmer in Houston, where it hasn't rained quite as much, and 77 over in Lafayette right now. But much cooler air off to our northeast and north, where the cold front is starting to make an impact. But locally, temperatures, just sponsored by Do Good Federal Credit Union, we see that a lot of places right now are running in the mid-70s due to all the clouds and rain. And then further west, we are running a bit warmer. Now, our futurecast is showing that those storms are going to die off, and then we are not going to see anything at all tomorrow. In fact, it's going to be getting pretty nice because we have this cold front pushing through. And we could still have a few clouds left over, especially towards the coast. It's sponsored by Neutron Electrical Services. But our regional view, this shows that we have high pressure kind of building into the region. And then we have those clouds eventually kind of fizzling off and then rebuilding as moisture begins to surge ahead of a system coming into play by the end of this week right now that we're at. In fact, let's take a look at the upper level energy, and we see that we have a really good system coming into play by Saturday, and we're going to have to watch for the potential of severe weather with this system going forward, because we do have a rather favorable setup for something to go for us on Saturday. We don't know the exact impacts yet, but we will definitely know a lot more once we get a bit closer. But the rain chances are looking very stout for Saturday, so that's some really good news, especially with the drought right now. It's still in moderate drought in a lot of areas, but we should see some rain pretty soon. Now, lows tonight, they're going to be in the upper 40s again in our northern regions. It's just crazy. Just sponsored by Dana Simmons Real Estate. Further south, mid 50s, upper 50s closer to the coast, and low 60s really closer to the coast. Upper 60s, though, right along the coast. And then highs tomorrow, which is sponsored by Switch Electric, we could see some upper 70s possible over Southwest Louisiana, but otherwise in the low 80s for most regions tomorrow. It's definitely looking like that it will be a bit cooler. And as far as our outlook is going, our 7-day outlook, we see that tomorrow we do have mostly clear skies, but then by this weekend we have very strong winds. It's going to be pretty nasty, in fact, and we will definitely have to keep an eye on that severe weather potential going forward. And then next week, towards the end of Tuesday, we see a strong cold front pushing through that will likely bring us some of our coolest weather of the season we've seen so far. And we'll keep an eye on that as well. Same for Southwest Louisiana. You're looking at your best chance of rain coming up for Saturday. And definitely going to keep an eye on that severe weather potential. Be sure to check out our Gulf Coast Weather Solutions app. It's ready for download. And you can get all of your severe weather updates and all other updates that we post and send to you through the app on Google Play and Apple. And also check out our YouTube channel at youtube.com/GulfCoastWX. All right, everyone. Have a good evening. And shout out to all our sponsors. Check out Johnny's Forecast in the morning for an update on our weekend forecast, looking at potential for severe weather. Have a good evening.